Hello, William. Williams, Philippines. Sorry, been distracted. Uh, it is Thursday, October 30th at 10:53 p.m. A little later than normal. Came home, fell asleep. It happens. Uh, yeah, had some fun at the Land Transportation Office today. Went over to Lapu Lapu, got there, talked, made it through the line, talked to him, and I live in Mandawi. I got to go to Mandawi to do this. Mhm. Get over to Mandawi, and I have to wait for 2 more weeks because I haven't been here 120 days. So you can only use your driver's license for 90 days, but they won't let you get another one for 120 days. Yeah. Don't we love government? It is what it is. It's okay. Had fun getting that done. And yeah, it's okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna run over and do my visa extension, get it put in for the visa extension. I'm not sure what after that. Part of me wants to wander around. Another part would just like to come back to the house and go to sleep, which is an option. It's always an option. Yeah. The LTO office, having to go to two different ones today. I probably should have, while I was still out, went over and dropped off my passport. But eh, I'd had a long day and ready for it to be over with. Anyway, uh, my doing for my while I was over there, I went and did my paid my uh, what do you call it, the phone. So yay that. And quite honestly, I don't get enough phone calls to make it worth having a phone, uh, except on my American phone that I've had the number forever. I still get regular phone calls from everybody in the way of telemarketers. 3, 5. If I get 10 phone calls in a month on all my phones, I'd probably be surprised. It is what it is. I usually call them when I'm available and catch them at a time they are available. It is what it is. Yeah. And yeah, I was listening to one of my friends talking about appropriation, cultural appropriation. Yeah, I agree with you, man. Uh, I guess that there's some folks that just don't follow logic and reason and think that they don't have any responsibility to follow logic and reason because, well, I don't know, stupidity. Yeah, I don't know. It's some days it really makes you wonder. Anyway, I thought I'd get on here and get this one, knock it out real quick. Try to get over and start doing my budget since tomorrow is the end of the month and get my numbers all crunch. Get them all ready except for tomorrow's, and I can add those in real easy. So, yeah, because numbers are so much fun. Yeah, not. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. And sorry I've missed a few. This month has been kind of scattered. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed one. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Do you figure you out, take care of your gray matter, and what makes you happy. Like I say, it's your job to do you, not mine. I do my job, which is me, and I barely do me. Anyway, y'all have a good one. I hope it's a blessed day. I hope you have a happy Halloween. And, oh, government over there is shut down. Well, in a way, yeah. Keep it closed until, yeah. Everybody that works there has to go find a new job and become productive members of society. Yeah, I know. I'm not politically correct. Don't pretend to be. Anyway, I'm Fish. Later blessings. Bye bye. Oh, hang on. Do you, and lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. I'm Fish. Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.